Hi, good afternoon, everybody. This is Bishwajit Datta, and you are watching ACE CAT Education. ACE CAT is an institute that helps students prepare for various management entrance examinations, particularly CAT and IPMAT. Now, this is very important news that I would like to share with you. This is right now on the screen. You can read it. That is IIM Kashipur under fire for asking unplaced students to opt out to maintain 100% प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड. मतलब वो बच्चे जिनकी प्लेसमेंट नहीं हुई, कॉलेज ने जिसकी प्लेसमेंट नहीं करवा पाई, उन स्टूडेंट्स को बोल रही है कि आप ऑप्ट आउट का फॉर्म भर दो, सो दैट यू आर वॉलंटरली टेकिंग दिस डिसीजन दैट यू आर आउट ऑफ प्लेसमेंट, so that the college is able to show that we have given 100% placement. 30% around students have not placed so far in IIM Kashipur, and the companies have stopped coming to the institution because आपको मालूम है कि तकरीबन 2 महीने का ये टाइम होता है जिसमें कंपनीज आती हैं कॉलेज में, स्टूडेंट्स को लेकर जाती है, प्लेसमेंट प्रोसेस चलता है. 2 महीने का ये तकरीबन पीरियड होता है. विद इन दिस पीरियड द स्टूडेंट्स try to place themselves in various interviews that the college prepares or makes for these students. लेकिन तकरीबन 30% बच्चे इन IIM काशीपुर they are not able to place themselves, and therefore अब कॉलेज उनसे कह रही है कि आप एक काम करेंगे, आप अपने आप को इस प्रोसेस से बाहर कर लीजिए. दैट मीन्स आप अपने आप को ऑप्ट आउट फॉर्म भर के घोषित करिए कि आप प्लेसमेंट से बाहर हो रहे हैं, ताकि हम अपना ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड 100% एक्यूरेट बता पाए. हम दिखा पाए दैट कॉलेज हैज़ गिवन 100% ऑफ प्लेसमेंट टू द स्टूडेंट्स स्टडिंग इन द कॉलेज, ताकि हमारी रेपुटेशन, हमारी ब्रांड वैल्यू बरकरार बनी रहे. तो ये सवाल हमारे सामने ये आता है, क्या ये सही है? इज़ दिस करेक्ट? क्या नैतिकता के आधार पर ये सही है? इज़ इट करेक्ट ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ मोरालिटी? सेकेंड, क्या ये एक स्टैटिस्टिकल मैनिपुलेशन नहीं है? क्या ये ऑफेंस नहीं है? You will not see that this is something which is written somewhere in the BNS or IPC, whatever that you say. But don't you think that this is some sort of offense that you are committing? You are pressurizing students to opt out from the placement scenes so that the college is able to show that we have given 100% of placement. I am the hero. तो ये बहुत बड़ा ऑफेंस है. दिस इज ए वेरी बिग ऑफेंस. दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिकल मैनिपुलेशन, दैट टू इन द इंस्टीट्यूशंस, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली outrageous. And this is not the only college that is doing. In fact, it has become a trend, and it is becoming a trend in most of the institutions in the country. In fact, IIM Trichy has done it. In fact, Narsi Monje has done it in the past. And it is expected that this sort of things has become very normal in the college. So we want people and students and the other intellectuals who are in the society should come and put their views, because this is not good for the future kids. We are putting a lot of money, efforts to get into a college, and after reaching to the college, at the time of placement, after studying too hard, after studying too hard in the college, after studying a lot of things in the college, at the end when the time of placement comes and you got to see that you are not going to be placed, there is nobody who is going to recruit you, and the college is not putting any efforts. कॉलेज ये कह रही है कि यदि आप ऑप्ट आउट कर लोगे तो आने वाले फ्यूचर में जो भी कैंपसेस आएंगे हम उनमें आपको शामिल करेंगे. दैट मीन्स वी विल गिव यू द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द फ्यूचर सॉर्ट ऑफ प्लेसमेंट्स. अब इस बात की क्या गारंटी है कि फ्यूचर में जो प्लेसमेंट्स होंगे या फ्यूचर में जो कॉलेजेस में प्लेसमेंट्स का सीन बनेगा, कॉलेजेस में जो कंपनीज आएंगी उनमें ये बच्चे प्लेस हो जाएंगे? व्हाट इज दैट गारंटी? नाउ देयर आर 2 प्रपोजिशंस. ईदर द स्टूडेंट्स आर रियली नॉट गुड, ओके, इसीलिए वो बच्चे प्लेस नहीं हो पा रहे, ऐसा हम मान सकते हैं, या द कॉलेज इज नॉट एबल टू give the placement to the students. I mean, the college is not able to bring companies in order to make these placements done. इन दोनों में से कोई एक बात सच हो सकती है. इफ द फर्स्ट प्रपोजिशन इज करेक्ट, तो सवाल यहाँ खड़ा होता है, फिर वो बच्चे कॉलेज के अंदर गए कैसे? इफ द फर्स्ट प्रपोजिशन दैट इज स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट गुड, तो फिर सवाल ये उठता है, हाउ कम द स्टूडेंट्स एंटर्ड इनटू दैट कॉलेज? Assuming this fact that the students have entered into the college, that invariably means that the students are good. So therefore, the second hypothesis is correct, that the college is not able to bring placement, and therefore these students remain unplaced so far, and there is no placement for these students. So this is my urge to people in the society to understand that this is a problem, and if this is happening in the top-notch college, like I am Kashipur, I am Trichy, नरसिंह मोहनजी, तो बाकी के कॉलेजेस में क्या हो रहा होगा? 20 से 25 लाख रुपए देने के बाद यदि ये स्थिति बन रही है, तो जो 10 से 12 लाख रुपए देकर के कॉलेज में जा रहा होगा, तो फिर तो उसको तो कोई पूछ ही नहीं रहा होगा. उसको तो बोल रहा होगा कि नहीं, दिस इज नॉर्मल, यू हैव स्पेंट 12 to 15 lakh rupees, this is normal. Getting a higher education, giving 15 lakh rupees is normal if you're not getting placement. So you can try hard, come next time, do something else, increase your resume, and then go for some sort of placement somewhere in the open category. So therefore, यहाँ पर हम सभी को step लेना पड़ेगा, and to make some sort of accountability on the hand of the college, that if you have taken 250 students, let's say, so you need to be sure that you are able to place them. भाई आपकी प्लेसमेंट करने की क्षमता यदि 150 की है, तो आप 150 बच्चे लीजिए ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है उसमें? आपको एक नया कॉलेज खुल जाएगा, वो नए लोग हो जाएंगे, कुछ नए कोर्सेज हो जाएंगे, हो सकता है वो लोग प्लेसमेंट दे दे आपको. ठीक उसी प्रकार जिसमें किसी बस में यदि 30 लोगों की बैठने की क्षमता है, तो उसमें 30 ही पैसेंजर्स बैठने चाहिए. मुझे 40 से 45 से 50 पैसेंजर्स को नहीं बिठाना चाहिए. The same applies to college as well, that if you are able to place only 200 candidates or 150 candidates, let's better to have those people only. Do not increase the number of seats in the college if you are not able to place them. और ऐसे में क्या होता है कि आपका जो प्लेसमेंट होता है उसका मैग्नीट्यूड भी कम हो जाता है. That means the kind of placement the students are aspiring for, that value also comes down. When you got to know that यार इसके पास 400 बच्चे को प्लेस करना है, तो कई बार आप जहां पर 40 का प्लेसमेंट होगा उसको डिवाइड करके आप 20-20 के 2 प्लेसमेंट करवा देंगे. दिस इज ऑल्सो हैपनिंग. Why to go for it? Let us create a brand if you are a brand. So if you are a brand, create it and please maintain it. यदि आप मेंटेन नहीं कर पा रहे, it is a clear signature that you are not a brand. So if you are a brand, we feel that every student in the college has to be placed. Otherwise, the kind of act that you have opted, opt-out form, this is something new, great. A management institution is coming out with a solution for the college himself. A management institution is managing its debris with a concept called opt-out option for the students who have not placed. सारा का सारा गलत, सारा का सारा पाप, सारा का सारा ऑफेंस स्टूडेंट के सिर पे मार दो आप, and you come out freely and completely. Is this justice? Is this a justice? I would like to bring this in the mind of every individual who is in the field of management. To all the teachers, faculty in the fraternity, please raise your voice that this is not correct. ये कोई statistical manipulation नहीं है. ये एक गलती है जिसको आप कर रहे हो और आप दिखा के कर रहे हो. That yes, I will do it because I can do it, because I belong to a management fraternity, and this is something which is a solution. No, it is not. It is going to be very difficult on the part of that student who has already given 20 to 25 lakh rupees to that college, cleared the exam and then got into the college. Now he has to be placed here. The aspirations, the dream, the trust of the family on higher education, everything will collapse. And please do not make it, this is what I urge. Let me be very clear on this part, that this is something which is outrageous on the part of an institution, because you are a higher education center and we are looking up to you that you are going to give great solutions, big solutions that will not only cater the society but will open ways for the people to carve their future. And if it is not happening, then you have to shut down. You have to shut down without making any delay. You have to shut down. This is everywhere in the internet. So please do not commit that kind of offense, which I believe it is an offense. और आप इस तरीके से बोल रहे हो open, something which is very, 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 very wrong. So please, I request all the institutions who are feeling the similar kind of thing that we will also opt the opt-out option and try to show that the school or the management institution has given 100% placement. Please do not do that. Please do not do that. Because if someone has started and it has become successful, somebody else is going to follow it. Now this is going to ruin the system completely. The people who are reposing a lot of trust on higher education, that will automatically collapse. And don't do that. Parents have a lot of trust on higher education. That is the reason that they open their pocket without any delay. They go to banks, take loans, provide fee for the children without thinking any other thing. They do not think twice because they believe that my child is going to repay after completing his education from this institution. I believe that. Do not break that trust. The whole society, country, parents repose that trust on an institution. Anything that an institution of such kind of doing is something which is very outrageous. We will not put our trust on the higher education. इससे क्या होगा, आपके अगले साल का एडमिशन डिस्टर्ब होगा, इसके कारण एस्पिरेंट्स कम होंगे. It will impact the higher education and the system completely. So therefore I am urging the institution, please do a double check, do little more hard work, try to bring companies, because you are at that particular position or at that particular stage, that any effort that you will play will bring some sort of output, and those students who have not placed could be able to get placed in no time then. So please do it, and please ऐसा मत करिए, इसको ठीक करिए. लेट अस फिक्स इट कंप्लीटली. पूरी तरीके से फिक्स करिए, नहीं तो इसका रिपल इफेक्ट बहुत बड़ा आने वाला है. इन एवरी पॉसिबल वे यू विल सी द रिपल इफेक्ट हैपनिंग. तो प्लीज इसको फिक्स करिए. सो दिस इज माई अर्ज टू ऑल द इंस्टीट्यूशंस, द डायरेक्टर्स एंड द owners of the institutions who take pride in saying that we have an 100% placement. यदि सच में आप 100% placement करते और यदि इस 100% placement की वैल्यू हमारे fraternity में वैल्यू रखती है, तो make it a valuable thing. Make it a valuable thing and give these people that placement for which they have gone to that college, working hard day night. और आप भी थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट करिए. Bring companies एटलीस्ट आउट ऑफ द वे जाकर के आप कंपनीज लाइए, कुछ एफर्ट करिए, सो दैट दिस पीपल कुड बी प्लेस्ड एंड वी आर एबल टू फिक्स इट. दिस इज द ओनली वे दैट वी कैन फिक्स इट. सो प्लीज फिक्स इट, प्लीज फिक्स इट. दिस इज माई अर्ज टू द institutions and the people who think that higher education is a must one for this country. Thank you so much and may God bless you. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.